Monkey has one banana. Banana costs 1 leaf. Monkey happy. Life good. Then one day, banana costs 2 leaves. Same job, same leaves, more expensive banana. Monkey did nothing wrong, so why does monkey feel poor? This is inflation, and it is already happening everywhere.
Inflation is when prices go up over time, not just banana, everything. Monkey house, monkey car, monkey internet bill that monkey never reads but keeps paying. Same leaves, less stuff. That is inflation. Monkey earns the same amount, but every year, the same leaves buy a little less banana than before. Quietly, slowly, without asking permission. Reason 1. Too many monkeys want banana. Banana farmer grows 100 bananas. 100 monkeys arrive, each wants 1 banana. Perfect balance. Price stays the same. But now, 200 monkeys want banana. Same supply, double demand. Banana farmer looks around. Monkey's desperate. Farmer raises price. This is demand pull inflation. When the monkey economy is doing well, monkeys have jobs, monkeys have leaves, monkeys spend leaves. Everything sells fast. Prices go up. Economy good, banana expensive. Classic monkey problem. Reason 2. Banana harder to make. Banana seeds cost more. Banana trucks need more fuel. Banana workers want more leaves. Farmer has no choice. Price goes up. Not because more monkeys want banana, just because banana costs more to grow. This is cost push inflation. This is why when oil prices rise, everything rises. Because almost everything needs transport. Transport needs fuel. Fuel comes from oil. Monkey fills up car. Monkey pays more. Monkey says bad word. Reason 3. Monkey government prints more leaves. Maybe government spent too much on something nobody asked for. So, monkey government prints more leaves. Now there are more leaves in the economy, but same number of bananas. Leaves not rare anymore, leaves worth less. Banana farmer looks at all these new leaves floating around, raises price. This is monetary inflation. More leaves, chasing same banana. And here's the part monkeys always forget. Printing more leaves does not make monkey richer. More leaves, same banana. Reason 4. Hyperinflation. What if monkey government panics and keeps printing leaves? Banana costs 50 leaves. Government prints more leaves. Banana costs 100 leaves. Government prints more leaves. Banana costs 10,000 leaves. Monkey now carrying leaves in wheelbarrow just to buy 1 banana. This is hyperinflation. When inflation goes completely out of control. This actually happened in Zimbabwe in 2008. Inflation hit 89 sextillion% per month. Monkey government printed a $100 trillion note, worth almost nothing. Monkeys used banknotes as wallpaper because banknotes were cheaper than wallpaper. Eventually, monkey government burns all the leaves and starts fresh. New currency, new name. Pretend old leaves never existed. So, is inflation always bad? No. Surprisingly, a small amount, around 2% per year, is actually what most monkey governments aim for. It means the economy is moving, monkeys are spending, businesses are growing, everything working as intended. The problem is when inflation grows too fast, or when banana prices run faster than leaves can follow.
Inflation does not treat all monkeys the same. If monkey wages rise faster than prices, monkey wins. Monkey buys extra banana. If monkey wages match prices, monkey survives, barely notices. But if monkey wages stay the same while prices go up, monkey slowly becomes poor. Without realizing, without doing anything wrong. Monkey works same hours, eats less banana. Monkey is all of us. To slow inflation, Monkey Central Bank raises interest rates. Borrowing becomes expensive. Monkeys take fewer loans. Monkeys spend less. Demand slows down. Prices stop rising so fast. But there is a cost. Some monkeys lose jobs. Some monkey businesses close. Economy slows. Fighting inflation hurts, but not fighting it hurts more. It is like choosing between a painful shot today or full banana fever tomorrow. Monkey picks the shot every time. Inflation is invisible. It does not take leaves. It quietly reduces what leaves can buy every year. Same work, same leaves, less banana. So the question is not how much does monkey earn? The question is what can monkey still buy? Monkey finally understands. Banana does not wait. Neither should monkey. So all monkeys must fight inflation together because apes together strong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more banana knowledge.